Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Decoding and fixing the error code on your LG washing machine, a comprehensive guide. The error code on an LG washing machine indicates a door error. This means the washing machine control board isn't detecting that the door is securely locked. This is a critical safety feature preventing the machine from operating with the door open, which could lead to water leaks and potential injury. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and resolving the error, covering potential causes, diagnostic steps, and common repair solutions. We'll also delve into the technical aspects and, where relevant, provide code examples for understanding how the machine's control system interacts with the door lock mechanism. Understanding the components involved. Before diving into troubleshooting, let's understand the key components related to the door lock. Door lock switch / assembly. This is the primary suspect when a error occurs. It's a mechanical and / or electrical component integrated into the door frame or the washing machine's front panel. It usually consists of hook / latch the physical part that engages with the receiving mechanism on the machine. Solenoid / motor, electromechanical locks. Some locks use a solenoid or small motor to extend and retract the locking pin or bar. Thermistor, thermal locks. Older models use a bimetallic strip that heats up and bends to engage the lock. Micro switch / sensor. This is the electrical component that detects the door is locked and signals the control board. Door strike. The receiving mechanism on the washing machine's cabinet that the door hook latches onto. Wiring harness and connectors. The wires that connect the door lock switch to the control board. Damaged or loose connections can disrupt the signal. Control board, main PCB. The brain of the washing machine. It receives the signal from the door lock switch and controls the operation of the machine based on that signal. Door seal, gasket. A damaged or improperly seated door seal can prevent the door from closing completely, interfering with the lock. Common causes of the error. 1. Obstruction preventing proper door closure. The most common cause. A piece of clothing, a coin, or other debris can be lodged between the door and the door frame, preventing the lock from engaging. 2. Door not fully closed. Sometimes, the door might appear closed but isn't latched completely. A slight push might be all that's needed. 3. Faulty door lock switch / assembly. The micro switch inside the door lock assembly might be defective, failing to detect the door is locked even when it is. The solenoid / motor, if present, could also be failing. 4. Damaged door strike. The door strike might be bent or broken, preventing the door lock from properly engaging. 5. Wiring issues. Loose or damaged wiring connecting the door lock switch to the control board. Rodents can sometimes chew on wires. 6. Control board malfunction. In rare cases, the control board itself might be faulty, misinterpreting the signal from the door lock switch. 7. Door seal issues. A damaged or improperly seated door seal can prevent the door from closing fully, leading to the error. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Preliminary checks, the easy stuff. Check for obstructions. Carefully inspect the door opening and the area around the door seal for any obstructions. Remove any found. Even a small sock can cause issues. Ensure door is fully closed. Firmly close the door and listen for a distinct click indicating the lock is engaged. Give it an extra push to be sure. Power cycle. Unplug the washing machine for 5 to 10 minutes. This can sometimes reset the control board and clear a temporary error. Plug it back in and try again. 2. Visual inspection. Door lock assembly. Examine the door lock assembly, usually located near the door latch. Look for any signs of physical damage, cracks, or loose parts. Door strike. Inspect the door strike, on the machine body, for bending or damage. Wiring. Carefully examine the wiring connected to the door lock switch for any visible damage, breaks, or loose connectors. Look for signs of rodent damage. Door seal/gasket. Inspect the door seal/gasket around the door opening. Look for rips, tears, or areas where it's not properly seated against the door. 3. Testing the door lock switch requires basic electrical knowledge and a multimeter. Safety first. Disconnect the washing machine from the power outlet before proceeding. Locate the door lock switch. Refer to your washing machine's service manual, if available, or search online for your specific model's door lock switch location. It's usually accessible by removing the top or front panel of the washing machine. Access the wiring. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the door lock switch. Take a picture or make a note of the wiring configuration before disconnecting so you can reconnect it correctly. Continuity test. Simple. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting, often represented by a diode symbol or a speaker icon. Door open. With the door lock switch unlocked, simulating the door being open, touch the multimeter probes to the terminals that correspond to the normally open, no, circuit. You should not have continuity, the multimeter should not beep or show a reading close to 0. Door closed. Simulated. Manually actuate the door lock switch to simulate the door being closed. This usually involves pressing a lever or plunger on the switch. Now, test the same terminals. You should have continuity, the multimeter should beep or show a reading close to 0. Voltage test, more advanced, use caution. Reconnect the washing machine to the power outlet while the door lock switch is still disconnected. Set your multimeter to measure AC voltage, check your multimeter manual if unsure. Carefully probe the terminals that supply power to the door lock solenoid, if your lock uses one. You should read a voltage, usually 120 VAC or 240 VAC, depending on your region. Exercise extreme caution to avoid electric shock. Disconnect the washing machine again before proceeding further. Interpreting the results. No continuity when locked, simulated the micro switch inside the door lock is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. No voltage. There could be a break in the wiring leading to the door lock, or the control board isn't sending power to the lock. Solenoid doesn't activate. If the lock has a solenoid and it doesn't actuate when powered, or doesn't actuate smoothly, the solenoid might be faulty. 4. Checking the door strike. Ensure the door strike is securely mounted and aligned with the door lock mechanism. If the strike is bent or damaged, try to gently straighten it or replace it. 5. Examining the wiring harness. Trace the wiring harness from the door lock switch to the control board. Look for any pinched, cut, or frayed wires. Check the connectors at both ends to ensure they are securely plugged in. If you find damaged wiring, repair it with electrical tape or replace the affected section of the harness. 6. Control board diagnosis, advanced, proceed with caution. This should be the last resort, as control board issues are less common and more difficult to diagnose without specialized equipment. Visually inspect the control board for any signs of burning, bulging capacitors, or other damage. If you suspect a control board issue, consider consulting a qualified appliance repair technician. Replacing the control board is often expensive. Code example, illustrative, not direct code. While you won't directly program your washing machine's control board, unless you're an LG engineer, understanding a simplified concept of how the control board interacts with the door lock sensor can be helpful. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk door underscore locked underscore signal, this variable represents the status of the door lock switch. True indicates the door is locked, false indicates it's unlocked. Asterisk washing underscore cycle dot is underscore running, a function that returns true if the washing cycle is currently running. Asterisk start underscore button underscore pressed, a Boolean variable indicating whether the start button has been pressed. Asterisk the code constantly monitors the door underscore locked underscore signal. Asterisk if the door is unlocked while the cycle is running, the cycle is immediately stopped, and a error is displayed. Asterisk if the start button is pressed and the door is not locked, the cycle will not start, and a error message is displayed. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk model specific information asterisk the exact location of components and wiring diagrams can vary significantly between different LG washing machine models. Always refer to your specific model's service manual or search online resources for accurate information. Asterisk safety asterisk disconnect the washing machine from the power outlet before performing any troubleshooting or repairs. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified appliance repair technician. Asterisk replacement parts asterisk if you need to replace any parts, such as the door lock switch, use genuine LG replacement parts or high-quality aftermarket parts specifically designed for your washing machine model. Troubleshooting flowchart asterisk. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the error on your LG washing machine. Remember to prioritize safety and consult a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the troubleshooting or repair process. Good luck.